Cornwall College moved to the top of Group 1 in the ISSA Under-16 Rural Area Schoolboy competition with a 3-0 blanking of Glenmuir on Tuesday. They were led by a brace from Carlando Morris, who netted in the 26th and 66th minutes. With the win, Cornwall moved to 4 points in the group.
Well, basically, after the first game, we got a draw. We know that coming at home, we had to come here and play hard to get a victory. Last year, we felt out at quarterfinals. We want to take it a step further and then a next step further. So today's victory was a good one.
Over in the Under-14 competition, Cornwall College were again in a punishing mood, trouncing Belair 4-0. Donovan Creary led the way with a double, opening the scoring in the second minute before adding to his tally in the 47th. Jaden Smith in the 68th and Johnny Stevens 2 minutes later completed the scoring. They also lead Group 1 on 4 points, the same as Glenmuir, but with a better goal difference.
It was simple. As we always do, keep it simple. We knock some ball, we try to dominate the middle of the park as always, and then we just attack and put the ball in the back of the goal. We have a big chance going to the semi-final. The first game, we had some players out, so we have to mend some broken pieces. But this game, we had the players in, so we get a better result.